Hello guys, this is how to show that you are out of the office. So this is how to do it. You first come here in the settings section and click and go to all settings, and then scroll down and down and go here and choose here, click here vacation responder on, and then click. So the leave is from 22nd August 2026, and I can choose to be out of the office up to the 2nd of September, and then write out of the office like this, or I can put another sentence that I want, and here then you can click here to say only send a response to people in my contacts. So by clicking this, it means only people in the contacts will see the response. But when you untick, anyone who sends the email is going to see the response. Then you click save. When you click save, boom, automatically you see this out of the office. So whoever who will send the email to you when you are out of the office, this message will pop up. So thank you guys. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a comment. Thanks.